A lack of lawyers not just to defend, but to prosecute.
We do not have enough attorneys. When I came in this office, we did not have enough attorneys. 20 years ago, we didn't have enough prosecutors. It's gotten worse because there's not enough attorneys on Guam. And you can ask the public defender, the alternate public defender, and any private practitioner. They'll tell you that there's not enough lawyers on Guam.
Guam Attorney General Doug Moylan admitting attorneys have also been leaving since he came into office.
It's been having the fit between the people's elected Attorney General, who's here to fight crime, to make us safe at night, and the willingness of our staff to participate and join me in this 4-year journey that we have.
In a move to increase manpower, he requested the legislature to amend public law to reallow his attorneys limited outside employment. In a letter to Speaker Therese Terlahi, he says it's to restore equity with public defender and alternate public defender attorneys who have no such restriction.
We've been recruiting off island. I'm thinking we have maybe 3 coming in right now. But I mean, it's a moving target.
In the letter, he says several possible recruits from off-island and on-island decided against employment with the AG's office as they had lingering cases, his request prompting the Guam Bar Association to survey its members if they agree or disagree with it. According to a release from GBA President and Attorney Jacqueline Taitono Terlahi, their survey recorded 133 responses, with 64% disagreeing. Comments disagreeing includes increased conflicts and ethical complications, divided loyalties between obligations to government interests and private clients, imbalance of powers and undermining the community's faith in the legal process and system of justice, increased abuse of power and corruption, and that the proposed legislation misstates or misrepresents the current law. Meanwhile, 34% agreed to the proposal, with the comments including recruitment and limited supply of attorneys, ethical concerns, and additional income for government attorneys. Meantime, Moylan says the lack of lawyers is causing an increase in market prices, putting a heftier financial burden on the people who need a private attorney and on firms paying a higher salary to retain them. Perhaps more alarming, it's also impacting the criminal justice system.
When I see a defendant that comes before a judge and is in the criminal justice system going towards trial, that gets released and that gets brought back into the court system by the Guam Police Department on another magistrate, another case, another crime victim, that requires more personnel on my end.
Mitsuki Hirayama, KUAM News.